The renaissance that the greater Miami has been experiencing over the last 15 and 20 years have reshaped paradise as we know it. We have areas that didn't exist before, like the Design District, Midtown Miami. In 5-10 minutes, you can zip to South Beach, you can go across the causeway to the Design District, you can shop in Bell Harbor. We have areas that have been and still are very energetic. The Monaco Yacht Club and Residences will be a signature project that we're bringing to Miami Beach. Piero Di Soni has an unmatched talent in creating what I call a warm, minimalist design.
Monaco Yacht Club, you feel immediately you are in the Mediterranean Sea, you feel immediately you are in Europe for many reasons.
The one thing that makes this location very special is its accessibility, both from land and from water. From the pool deck, you can enjoy both intercoastal views and ocean views. So the magic of the intercoastal is during the day you can do a lot of activities there. You can paddleboard, you can be boating. It's very, very entertaining. Or you can just watch. At the same time at night, the views are fantastic with all the different lights you can see from two islands in front of you and from the landscape of Miami in the distance.
And well, we try to put inside this kind of feeling, to put inside something a little bit sophisticated. And on my eyes and my personal taste, we try to put inside this spatial combination and contamination of different styles. And we put inside contemporary furniture, we put inside contemporary feeling, and the combination become a culture. And the culture is European culture there.
Every residence has an unobstructed intercoastal water view. We really wanted to create something for the sophisticated buyer